cloud. All right. Yeah. So I did hit the record button. If anyone is uncomfortable with their face on the screen, you can turn your camera off. I won't take it personally. All right. So mine is starting to smoke a little bit because I think the plastic on the inside is, I'm going to turn my fume hood, is starting to melt. So I'm going to flip it over. So you take it, you grab it from the bottom, and then you turn it upside down in the ice water. So after I've done this, now you can observe, you can see if anything happened. I'm going to pick up the can out of the water. I want you to make any other observations. So it seems like there's some water in there. I wish I had a clear can. I don't think that I can do that without anything bad happening. All right. Second can. I'm going to add some water to it. Probably fill it up to about, here, really low, just like this tiny little bit on the bottom. That might have even been too much water. I don't care because we have a burner and we have a little time. Still have the same ice water setup back here. We're letting it sit on the heat. Now we're looking for steam. Oh, shoot. Thank you for telling me. I don't see Ella in the waiting room, although Jonas.
No, she's in the class
here
already.
Yeah, she's
here.
here before. Aruba's in the waiting room.
Cool. Definitely, you know what? I definitely should have deputized a co-host, one of you as a co-host, to just let people in, because I'm a little tied up right now. Well, the good news, Ella, is that I'm recording it, so probably what I can do is either share it out or I could put it on YouTube unlisted or something so no one else can see it. All right, if I'm the only one on camera, here's what I'm gonna do. Let me do this. Do I hold? No, that's not what I want to do. Spotlight for everyone. There we go. Now y'all can see it.
Mr. Milek?
Yes?
What do I do after I heat the can?
Okay, so after you've heated the dry can for a while, you put it upside down in the ice water, see if anything happens. So what happened to mine, it seemed like a bunch of water got sucked up into the can, but that's it. For your second can, or if you want to reuse the first can, that's fine. You put a little bit of water, maybe the bottom 10%. You put it back on the burner. And right now, we're waiting for the water inside to boil. And I'm kind of impatient. Of course, if I turn this on medium, I might cause some damage. So this might be a good time to mention, if you're doing this at home, eye protection is a good idea. If you have long hair, tie that back. If you have long sleeves, make sure you don't set them on fire. Just general things. But I don't know how well you can hear. I hear some sizzling here, so I think the water's starting to boil. What you're supposed to look for is you want some steam to be coming out of the top. I don't know how well you're going to see it on the camera, though, especially because we have a nice reflective surface behind. Yeah, no steam yet. So Nabil, you might want to, if you get your water one set up, you might want to turn the heat up to medium to get that water boiling a little quicker. There we go. I don't know if you can, yeah, it's not coming out too clear, but there is some serious steam coming out of the top here. So once you have this steam, you're ready to go. So again, take your tongs, you grab the bottom of the can, You're going to take it and flip it upside down into this ice water bowl that you have. Keep an eye on this. It's going to go quick. So make any observations that you notice. I'll do this way. So there's that. Again, I'm letting it sit for like a minute. Thanks, Evan. Again, I'm going to pick it up. Let's see if we, there we go. So it does seem like, again, we had some water, but there was way more water sucked up into that other can. Turn this off. So that asks a bunch of questions. I'm going to hit stop on the recording.